Well, good morning, scrappers, scrappettes, and my little scrappeteers. Today, we are on our way to the doctor's office. I have to go see my cardiologist for my 3-month checkup. And then after that, depends on how long it takes, we're going to go scrapping. Yes, we are. We are going to go scrapping. Hope everybody's feeling well. I'm feeling good. This shouldn't be too bad. We'll see how it goes. So we'll see you as soon as I get out of the office. All right, scrappers, we're done. Yes, I got my paperwork. I got blood work. I got all kinds of work done. EKG. Everything seems to be good. A-okay. Just one thing. The doctor told me to lay off the eggs. And I said, I asked him. I said, why? Is my cholesterol high? He says, no. I could actually smelled it as soon as I came into this room. So, okay. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go relieve stress and go scrapping. The sun is starting to come out. It's gonna get cloudy, but anyway, let's go scrapping. How about it? Wanna ride? Let's go. All right, we got a fridge. Let's get us a fridge. There you go, park right there. Won't be in the guy's way. Garbage is right there. All right, let's get the cord first. There we go. We got us a cord. And the other thing Betty has on her is 2 TVs I took apart. All right, let's get this on there. Let's get this baby in here. Let's put it in this way. There we go. Oh, no handles. There we go. All right, it's in here. Barbecue here. I think we're gonna run into some trouble today. And it's a heavy one. All right. Let's see here. Let's take some of the weight off of it. Oh. All right, that's all we can take out of it. It's a short one too. All right, let's see if we can put it in this way. Yep, there we go. We're all tied up. We're ready to go. Okay, let's roll. All right, we got another grill. All right, let's get the big one in first. There we go. We had to fix that refrigerator. Couldn't leave it like that. That's just the way it is. Come on. Didn't I say I had energy this morning? That's what I thought I said this morning. That I had energy. And it's not energy. These things just not wanting to cooperate, like they say, you know? Come on, see what I'm saying? Should be able to go right there, and it doesn't want to go because it's being hard-headed. Come on, there we go. Oh, jeez. Well, let's get the other one in here. Okay. Are you gonna give me an issue too? Come on, let's see. No issue with you, okay? No issue. Where can I grab it? Right here. There we go. All right. That wasn't that bad. I don't know whose paper that is, but let's just throw it out. All right, now we got to work on this table. What are we gonna do with this table? Oof. All right, give me a minute. Let me see what I'm gonna do with this table. All right, it just came apart. So, I guess that's a good thing. What do you say? Let's put it in here. Let's hope it, let's hope it don't shatter. How's that? And this is all aluminum. So we can, where can I put this at? Heels today. All right. That'll be good. Once I tie that down, that'll be good. All right. All right, there we go. Finally, something's working with me. All right, let's finish tying all this down. We're all secure. Everything's in here. Nothing's going anywhere. Let's continue. All right, we are done with, yes. Let's just get rid of everything. I'll see what they give me for this one. Even though it has screws, that's all right, no problem. We'll take care of it. Yeah. So we'll see you at the scrapyard. Let's go. All right, we're here. I just looked at the time. It's only 9:15, and it's getting cloudy, sunny, cloudy, sunny. So I don't know. We'll see in a few. All right, we're at 3880. Not much weight, but big items. There's nobody here, so we'll just unload it. No biggie. Oh, my bucket. All right, let's get in here. We're keeping this one. Over there. Let's try to get it over there to the other corner. There we go. There we go. Come on. Work with me. One day, baby. There we go. Let's sweep up. Keep old Betty clean. There you go, girl. All right, we're all done here. Let's roll. All right, so let's see what we weigh out. We said 38.80, right? So 34.60. Wow, only 220 pounds? No, it can't be. No, my math is wrong. 400 pounds. I'm going next time. That's all we got today. Thank you. Okay, Hefe. All right, let's go. All right, we came in at 38.80. 34.60. 420 pounds. So we got 29.40. And for the aluminum, we got 14 pounds at 20 cents. And we got 280. Yeah. So 32.20. Short little trip. It looked like it wanted to rain at any moment. So, and now the sun is up. So thank you for spending some time with me, Treasure Coast Scrapper. Enjoy the videos. That's all I can say. You know the rest. Like, share, subscribe, whatever you like to do. Again, thank you for your time. Thank you for everything that you guys do for us. Not me, us. We'll see you on the next one. Treasure Coast Scrapper. God bless everyone and keep us healthy and safe. Amen. Let's go.